Welcome to English Home, the place where you don't just learn English, you live it.
If you want to speak English naturally, understand how people talk in daily life, and enjoy the process, stay tuned.
Because today, I'm going to take you on a little journey, a story about a simple day, a coffee shop, and a few warm conversations that will help you speak real English, step by step.
So, get comfortable, relax your mind, and let the story begin.
It's a calm morning. The sky is soft and blue, and the streets are just waking up.
You decide to take a short walk before work, maybe get a cup of coffee.
As you walk, you see people rushing, some smiling, some busy with their phones, the usual city scene.
A small café on the corner catches your eye. The warm smell of roasted coffee drifts through the air. The sign says, "Fresh coffee, friendly faces."
You push open the door. A gentle bell rings ding. Inside, soft music plays. The air smells of cinnamon and freshly baked muffins.
Behind the counter, a cheerful barista greets you with a smile and says, "Hi there, what can I get for you today?"
You reply with a smile. "Hi, can I have a latte, please?"
That's one of the most natural and polite ways to ask for something in English. Can I have please? It's short, polite, and perfect for any situation.
The barista nods and asks, "What size would you like?" You say, "Medium, please."
He smiles again. "Anything else?" You shake your head. "No, that's all. Thank you."
That small phrase, "That's all, thank you," is a wonderful way to sound polite.
He replies, "Great, that'll be £4.50. You hand over your money and say, "Here you go." He gives you a receipt and says, "Your drink will be ready in a minute."
Notice how smooth that conversation feels? Short sentences, polite phrases, a friendly tone.
That's how real English works in daily life. You don't need big or complicated words. You just need to sound natural and clear.
Here's a secret. English is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking comfortably.
If you speak slowly but clearly, people will always understand you and you'll sound confident.
You step aside and wait for your drink. Around you, the café is alive.
A group of friends laughs in the corner. A woman types on her laptop. A man reads a newspaper quietly near the window.
You listen carefully. This is a great way to improve your English listening to how real people talk in everyday life.
You hear short, natural sentences. "Could you pass me the sugar?" "This coffee is amazing." "Yeah, I'll meet you later."
Every language has its own rhythm, and English has a musical flow.
Try this. Say the phrase, "Can I have a latte, please?" slowly. You'll feel a little beat. Can I vertical bar, have a vertical bar, latte vertical bar, please?
It's like music up and down, short and long. The more you listen and repeat, the more your brain learns that rhythm naturally.
That's why listening to English stories, podcasts, or even short dialogues every day is powerful. You start to feel the language, not just translate it.
The barista hands you your cup. You take a sip. It's warm and perfect.
You say, "This is really good coffee." He smiles, "Thank you, we roast the beans ourselves."
You answer, "Wow, that's cool. It tastes amazing." That's small talk, short, friendly conversations that make people feel good.
You can use it anywhere, in a shop, in a taxi, at work. Here are a few more examples. "It's such a nice day today. I love the music here. You've got a great place."
As you enjoy your drink, you hear more everyday English phrases. "I'll grab another coffee. Could I get that to go?" "Take your time." "No worries."
Each of these is a small piece of real spoken English. For example, "Could I get that to go?" means you want to take your drink with you.
"Take your time" means no rush, relax, no worries, is a friendly way to say, "That's okay."
These phrases make English sound more natural and friendly.
Sometimes, beginners feel shy speaking in public. That's completely normal. Everyone feels that way at first, even native speakers in a new place.
The secret is to start small. Start with 1 or 2 lines every day. Good morning. Can I have a coffee, please? Thank you very much.
Each small success builds your confidence. And soon, you'll notice English isn't something you study. It's something you use naturally in your life. Let's practice together. I'll say a phrase, then you repeat it aloud. Can I have a latte, please? That's all, thank you. Here you go.
It tastes amazing. Take your time. Speak confidently. Don't whisper. Your voice is your best practice tool.
Every time you speak out loud, your pronunciation, rhythm, and memory improve together. You sit by the window. Outside, people walk by, cars move slowly, and the city starts to wake up fully.
It's peaceful. You take another sip of your coffee and just listen. Listening to English in calm moments like this helps your brain relax and learn better.
When you're relaxed, you remember words faster and longer.
So don't stress. Let English be a part of your day, not just a subject you study.
Think about this. Every time you speak English, even a little, you're not just learning words, you're learning connection.
You're learning how to smile, respond, and share your thoughts with the world. That's what real communication is.
Not perfect grammar, not fancy words, but kindness, confidence, and a little courage.
And that's exactly what we practice here, together at English Home.
Before we end today's story, let's quickly review the useful words and phrases from this coffee shop conversation.
Can I have, please? Is a polite way to ask for something. That's all. Thank you means you've finished your order.
Here you go is when you give something. It tastes amazing means it's very delicious.
Take your time means don't hurry. No worries means that's okay. Could I get that to go? Means you want it for takeaway.
It's really cozy here means it feels comfortable and nice. Have a nice day is a friendly goodbye.
Use these phrases in your next conversation. They'll help you sound warm and natural.
You finish your coffee, smile at the barista, and say, "Thanks, have a great day."
You step outside. The sun feels warm on your face. You feel a quiet pride because you just spoke English easily, naturally, and politely.
It wasn't a lesson. It was a real-life moment. And that's how you grow one real conversation at a time. Thank you for joining me today here on English Home. Remember, every story, every sentence, every small conversation brings you closer to fluency.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Be proud of trying.
If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, don't forget to subscribe to English Home for more real-life English podcast lessons every week.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning, because your English journey is just beginning. This is English Home, helping you build confidence, one real story at a time.